Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Paras and thanks for joining in. As a part of Paras Analytics series, this is the second session on Python programming where we plan to go through Python number operations and math. Hope you found this video useful on how to install Python in your Windows environment. So let's get started. So here we plan to cover some of the basic arithmetic operations in Python. So as you can see in the screen, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and floor division. So I'll show you how we can operate these operations in Python. So for that we need to go to our Python IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment, and for this we are going to use idle, as I mentioned in the previous video. So to open the idle, what you have to do is, here I have already opened it, but let me show you once again. So you need to go to the start menu and then you go down to the Python, where you will find like Python 3.6 if you have installed the latest version, and here you will find idle Python 3.6 32-bit. Okay, so we are already in idle, so let's start with some of the basic arithmetic operations. So let's start with the addition. So 42 plus 24, we will get the immediate result of 66. Similarly, subtraction. 42 minus 24 will get 18. Okay, then we have multiplication. (42 into 24) we get 1008. Quickly we do the division. 42 divided by 24 we get 1.75. Okay, so let's do the modulus. 42 modulus and 24 we get 18. So what is modulus? Modulus is just a remainder after we divide the two numbers. So if we do 42 by 24, we will get 1 and the remainder would be 18. So it's like 1.75. So in modulus we get 18. So next we do the exponent. So let me give you an example. So suppose we want to find the square of 2. So we'll do 2 into 2. It comes out to be 4. Cube of 2, 2 into 2 into 2. We'll get 8. 2 to the power of 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We'll get 32. So suppose we want to do 2 to the power of 15. So we just can't keep on writing up to 15 times the 2. So for that Python is given we can use the exponent, which is 2 times the star and then 15. We'll get the result 32768. Similarly, like if we want to do the square of 9, 2, it comes out to be 81. Okay, so the next one is the floor division. Suppose we do 42 24, we'll get 1. So if you remember above, when we divided 42 by 24 we got 1.75. In the floor division we got 1. Just the integer part of that particular number comes up. So here we are getting 1. Similarly, if we suppose do 50 floor division 24, we'll get 2. So like the integer part of this division. Okay, so one thing you must have noticed, I have been writing the hash sign and then writing the like addition, subtraction. So if you write anything, so this is something which is called comments. If we mention anything in the hash sign, it comes out to be comments and none of the operation is done. Okay, So let's do some kind of operation in some of the bigger number, like 32 plus 43 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. So we are getting some result like 60.666. So you must be wondering what is the way that it has taken. In our school mathematics, we were taught like BOD mass, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So the same thing is followed up over here itself. So first the addition is not done, first the multiplication and the division are done, like 43 into 2 by 3, then whatever the result is there left, the 32 is added. So we used to call it as BOD mass. Okay, so this will give result because I have not mentioned that in the hash sign. Okay, there is another way to give the comments, which is the 3 times single colon, and we can just keep on writing anything. This all will be commented out, and then we can close out as with the 3 single quotes like this. Okay, right. So this was it, and the next thing I would like to tell you that suppose if you want to store any number like 42 and 24 that we were doing the operations about in some variables, so like x equal to 42, okay, y equals to 24. Suppose we do like x into y, will get the result the same result. Similarly, x divided by y will get the same result. Suppose we just want to print the value of x, we can just write x and we'll get the value. We can also get the value by writing the print statement, print x, will get 42. So this was it, and suppose all these operations that we have been performing till yet, so this all we are doing in this shell. But we normally, when we do write some of the scripts, Python scripts and all, we don't do it over here. What we have to do, we have to write all these scripts in some program. Where do we write those programs? We need to go into the file and then new file, and this window opens up, and here we need to write all the complete program. We need to save the program, and that would be saved as with the extension as py, which is Python files, and once this is saved we can simply do a run, which is F5. This we'll be doing later, but I wanted just to give you an idea where we do all these operations. So hopefully this session was useful to you and you are finding this series on Paras Analytics useful. If you are liking this series, please do like these videos and do subscribe to the channel, as you will definitely gain a lot out of this. So see you again in the next session. Take care and bye.